Was scheduled, got it done. It's 2 o'clock, and from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock I done made $303. I don't know. Something. All right, we are here on the first job of the day, and as you can see, this bad boy has been. Alright, so what we're going to have to do, I'm going to have to come back at you, set up my camera, so that way you guys can watch the process. Alright, be right back. So this is what we're looking at. We're going to have to try to repair this piece right here. See that? We're going to repair that. You can see they already put a side piece on here. It was a piece of Luan. It's nailed up here, and then we have to take the bracket. We got to rebuild this piece right here. We're gonna have to redo that and get the drawer back in here. You can see where it came off the back, so we're gonna have to find these little pieces. There's a piece that goes up in there. I don't know where it is, but it seems like we might have to take a trip to our favorite place. So, all right, stay tuned for more. Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to first take all these nails out. Take all these nails out. And what I plan on doing is I have to go to Home Depot, grab a piece of this 1 by, what is it? Something by 24, I don't know. But we're gonna take it. We're going to mount it on the inside of here, so that way we can fasten this. We're going to fasten this back here. Okay, welcome back. So this is what we got to do. We got to make sure that we can cover all of that. Okay, there's a couple things that I'm going to do. I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'm going to show you guys what the plan is going to be. So I got my wood here. The hardest part was finding these screws for this door hinge, because they were taken out and replaced with drywall screws. So I found the right screws, and we're going to put this thing back together, hopefully like brand new. I got to take these screws out there up there. So, all right, stay tuned for more. Okay, so now that I've got my piece on here, I got it screwed on that side. I've got screws coming on this side, and I'm going to do the same thing with that piece. I thought I was going to, whoa, don't want to drop that. I thought I was going to use that piece, but I'm not, so I'm just going to go ahead and iron on that piece there, and then we got to cut this piece here. I might have to cut that all the way down. But then I'm just going to take that strip and I'm going to just put it on there, and then I'm going to fix the corners of that thing. So, all right, stay tuned for more. All right, so I'm using the same procedure for the side here, ironing this like the mica. You can iron it on. Glue on the other side, on the underside. So this is turned off because I got it upside down. I did turned off because I had it upside down. But there it goes. And what I will do is I'll do the same thing on the other side. And it'll be practically brand new. Alright. So now, we'll do some more of this. And I don't know if I can reach on the other side. Yeah, I could probably twist it like this. And I'm just going to take that just like that. Butt it up against there. Here's where we're going. Yeah, you can tear this stuff too, so if you gotta tear it. So I'm gonna see if I can get on the other side of this camera. Let's see what I'm doing here is taking this piece and then take the cut edge. Now this is the straight edge, and this is the straight edge. Take it like that. Have screw marks. Looking at this thing. Yeah. I mean, it's a heck of a lot better than anything that I've ever tried before. And, I'm happy with it. Alright. Now that we got that done, now it's time to install the door. I'm going to install the door, and we'll be done with this guy. Oh, I'm on. Oh, okay, there you go. We got the door back on there. We're gonna put the drawer back in, and we'll be all set. So, hang on for a second. Let me try to. Okay. There you go. Another job done. I don't know why it's not. Probably needs another little clamp on the inside to keep it in. But there it is. So I put these pieces on here, these corner pieces, to just kind of ate up there because the wheelchair hits it on both sides. So I think today we are done. We'll clean my mess up, and we'll get on to the next episode. Alright, thanks for coming along for the ride, and stay tuned for the next job. Okay, so there you have it. Today, well, I'm open for any more jobs, but this job was scheduled. Got it done. It's 2 o'clock, and from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock I done made $303.